love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. So today is chapter 27. So chapter 27 is regular expression. Okay, the regular expression, it's also called as regex. Okay, it is actually done for pattern searching, and then you will see this regular expression. It's like a 4-part lecture. I'm not trying to put video count, and I'm not trying to waste your time. As I said, measurable progress. Okay, so let's actually see this regular expression, and after this regular expression we'll be getting into file handling, and then after that it's very cool stuff of data analysis like Panda, NumPy, so and then machine learning as well. So we are really getting there. So hang in for the 4-part lecture, and this is the first part. Okay, let's take a deep dive. Namaste friends. In today's programming we'll be seeing about regular expression. The regular expression is a series of lectures, so it is going to be at least 3. It can even go to 4. I'm just deciding what to take, what not to take, so hang in there. But a minimum of 3 because it has got so much of things to cover. Okay, so the moment you actually finish a regular exceptions, we'll be getting into file handling, which is a 4-part. And then we are getting into tutorials like NumPy, Panda, and one more thing, okay, which is a data analysis. So we're getting into more and more of in-depth of Python, and the moment everything is over we'll be doing some projects, and then when that is over we'll be doing some other thing in machine learning. And as I said, that 6 months is my target, and you should be there. So the regular expression is a sequence of characters that form a search pattern. A regular expression, you can actually use it to check if a string contains a specific search pattern. So we saw import math, we saw import JSON, so this is import RE. All right, so let's actually take this, and then let's actually see this. So this is the thing, this is my text. So what I'm actually doing is check if whether this the string starts with D and then ends with Spain. Okay, so this is what I'm actually trying to do. So as I said, I need to actually search, right? So my text is the rain in Spain, and then it's import RE, right? I think I've actually missed the word import RE. That is correct. See how I actually cross-check myself. I am actually texting, and then I say re.search starting with D and then ending with Spain in this text. If X, print X, we have a match, else there is no match. I think there is a match. Yes, we have a match. Okay, so this is the way you would actually check it. Okay, the find all function returns a list containing all matches. Okay, so let's actually see here, and let's actually see what it does. Import RE and return me every occurrence of AI. So AI, okay, find all in AI. So let's actually see. It gives me 2 AI. See how good we are becoming. The search function searches the string for a match and returns a match object if there is a match. Okay, so let's actually see what is actually happening. So I'm importing this regular expression. I'm searching with this space texting. So the first white space character is located in this thing, and then start. So it's a white space. Yes, it is. The first white space is actually located in this thing of 3. So 1, 2, 3. So this is where the first white space is actually coming. So this is what I actually did. All right. Split function. We have already seen a split function. Okay, basically splits where there is a match. Okay, so let's actually see this. It splits where there is a white space. Super. D split, rain split, in split, Spain, this thing. So this is what I did. All right. A subfunction, substitute, right? It replaces all this thing with a digit 9. Okay, substituting. A sub is a substituting. So wherever there's a white space, I'm actually asking to substitute that white space with a digit 9. So let's actually see here. See, beautiful. So let's actually keep this as our first lecture regular expression. As I said, it'll be having a minimum of 3 part. It can even go to 4. I'm actually deciding, but
let's actually try everything, make ourselves thorough before we actually get into the other parts. All right. So till we see next time, take care. Cheers.
Namaste friends, I trust you have actually enjoyed my regular expression part 1. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. I'll actually try to help you to the best of my abilities. Like always, I would like to thank two persons. One is you for giving me a golden time, and the other is my wife Jayeshi, following me to follow my passion. So till we see next time, take care. Cheers.